Hey decorators, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mirror wall decorating. Mirrors are such an incredible and versatile tool in interior design, and I can't wait to share with you some fantastic ideas, advice, and the many advantages of using mirrors to elevate your home decor. First off, let's talk about why mirrors are so amazing for home decoration. One of the biggest advantages is their ability to create the illusion of more space. If you have a small room, placing a large mirror on one of the walls can make the room feel much more open and airy. This is because mirrors reflect light and the surrounding area, giving the impression that the room extends further than it actually does. It's a brilliant trick to make a compact space feel more expansive. Another great benefit of mirrors is their ability to enhance the lighting in a room. If your space is lacking natural light, strategically placing mirrors can help brighten things up. When mirrors are placed opposite or near windows, they reflect the natural light coming in, which can significantly boost the overall brightness of the room. Even in rooms with plenty of artificial lighting, mirrors can help distribute the light more evenly, making the space feel more inviting and well lit. Now, let's get into some creative ideas for decorating with mirrors. One popular approach is to create a mirror gallery wall. This is similar to a photo or art gallery wall, but with mirrors of various shapes, sizes, and styles. You can mix and match different frames and finishes to add visual interest and create a unique focal point. This works particularly well in living rooms, hallways, or even bedrooms. A mirror gallery wall not only looks stunning, but also serves the practical purpose of reflecting light and opening up the space. Speaking of bedrooms, placing a large mirror above the headboard can be a striking design choice. This adds a touch of elegance and makes the room feel more sophisticated. If you prefer a more understated look, consider using a pair of mirrors on either side of the bed instead of traditional bedside lamps. This can create a balanced and harmonious feel, while also serving the functional purpose of reflecting light from bedside lamps. For those who love a bit of glamour, you can't go wrong with mirrored furniture. Pieces like mirror dressers, side tables, or coffee tables can add a touch of luxury and sophistication to any room. They reflect the surrounding decor, which can help tie the room together and create a cohesive look. Just be mindful of not overdoing it. Too many mirrored pieces can be overwhelming. Balance is key to maintaining a chic and stylish aesthetic. Bathrooms are another fantastic place to incorporate mirrors. Beyond the standard above-the-sink mirror, think about adding mirrors to other walls to enhance the space. Full-length mirrors can be great for small bathrooms, making them feel larger. You can also experiment with mirrored tiles or a mirrored backsplash for a touch of modern elegance. And don't forget about backlit mirrors. They add a contemporary touch and provide excellent lighting for grooming and makeup application. In dining rooms, a mirror can work wonders. Hanging a large mirror on one of the walls can reflect the dining table and any decorative elements, making the space feel more grand and inviting. It's particularly effective if you have a beautiful chandelier or pendant light above the table, as the mirror will reflect the light and create a lovely ambience. If you have a sideboard or buffet table, placing a mirror above it can enhance the space even further. Hallways and entryways are often overlooked when it comes to decor, but mirrors can make a big impact here as well. A full-length mirror in the hallway not only provides a functional spot for a last-minute outfit check, but also makes the narrow space feel wider. In the entryway, a mirror above a console table can make the area feel more welcoming and provide a spot to check your appearance before heading out the door. Pairing the mirror with some decorative elements like a vase of flowers or a stylish tray for keys and mail can create a beautifully cohesive look. If you're feeling adventurous, consider using mirrored wall panels. These can be installed on an entire wall or just a portion of it, depending on the look you're going for. Mirrored wall panels can add a modern and dramatic flair to any room. They are particularly effective in dining rooms, living rooms, or entryways. The key is to balance the mirrored panels with other textures and finishes in the room to prevent it from feeling too cold or sterile. Now let's talk about some tips for hanging and caring for your mirrors. When hanging a mirror, always consider the height and placement. You want the mirror to reflect something visually appealing, whether it's a beautiful piece of furniture, a piece of art, or a lovely view. Avoid placing mirrors where they will reflect clutter or unattractive areas of the room. In terms of height, the center of the mirror should generally be at eye level for the average person, but you can adjust this based on the specific context and purpose of the mirror. When it comes to caring for your mirrors, regular cleaning is essential to keep them looking their best. Use a soft, lint-free cloth and a gentle glass cleaner. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials, as these can damage the mirror's surface. For framed mirrors, make sure to dust the frame regularly and check for any signs of wear or damage. If you have antique or decorative mirrors, handle them with extra care to preserve their finish and integrity. One exciting and less conventional way to use mirrors is through the art of layering. Layering mirrors involves placing a smaller mirror in front of a larger one, creating a three-dimensional effect. This technique can add depth and intrigue to your space. For instance, you could hang a large, simple mirror and then place a smaller, ornate mirror slightly overlapping it. This creates a dynamic and sophisticated look that can be a real conversation starter. Layering works particularly well in living rooms or entryways, where you might want to make a bold visual statement. Another innovative idea is to use mirrored surfaces on unexpected items. Think about incorporating mirrored accents on doors, cabinets, or even ceilings. A mirrored door can make a hallway feel longer and more spacious. Mirrored cabinet doors in a kitchen or bathroom can add a touch of glamour and help reflect light, making the space feel brighter and more open. And if you really want to push the boundaries, consider a mirrored ceiling. While this is definitely a bold choice, it can create a stunning and unique effect, especially in dining rooms or bedrooms. Just make sure the rest of the decor is relatively understated to avoid sensory overload. Let's also talk about mirrored backsplashes. These are becoming increasingly popular in modern kitchens and bathrooms. A mirrored backsplash can make a kitchen feel larger and more open, reflecting both natural and artificial light beautifully. It adds a sleek, contemporary touch that pairs well with modern appliances and fixtures. In bathrooms, a mirrored backsplash behind the sink can create a luxurious, spa-like atmosphere. The reflective surface is easy to clean and adds an unexpected twist to traditional tile designs. Moving on to a more artistic approach, consider using mirrors as part of a wall mosaic. This involves combining small mirror tiles with other materials like ceramic, glass, or stone to create a unique, eye-catching design. You can go for a full wall mosaic or just a small accent area. This technique works wonderfully in bathrooms, kitchens, or even as a feature wall in a living room. It's a great way to add texture and visual interest to a space, and the mirrored pieces will catch the light and create a beautiful, shimmering effect. For those who appreciate vintage or eclectic styles, incorporating antique mirrors can be a fantastic idea. Antique mirrors often have beautiful, ornate frames and a distinctive patina that adds character and charm. You can find these mirrors at flea markets, antique stores, or even online. Mixing antique mirrors with modern furniture can create a stunning contrast and give your space a unique, collected-over-time feel. This approach works particularly well in living rooms, bedrooms, or hallways. One last thing to consider is the style and frame of your mirrors. The frame can significantly impact the overall look and feel of the mirror and how it fits into your decor. A sleek frameless mirror can add a modern touch, while a mirror with an ornate gilded frame can bring a touch of classic elegance. Wooden frames can add warmth and a natural element, while metal frames can offer a contemporary or industrial vibe. Choose a frame that complements the existing elements in your room for a harmonious look. In conclusion, mirrors are a powerful and versatile tool in interior design. They can make small spaces feel larger, enhance lighting, and add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. Whether you're creating a mirror gallery wall, adding a statement piece above your bed, or incorporating mirrored furniture, there are countless ways to use mirrors creatively in your home decor. Remember to consider the placement, style, and care of your mirrors to ensure they not only look stunning, but also serve their functional purpose effectively. So go ahead, get inspired, and start reflecting your personal style with some beautiful mirrors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design tips and ideas. See you next time.